90% of infant vocabulary comes from parents. 30 million fewer words are heard by children from lower-income families by the age of 4. That's 30 million fewer words. This word gap causes a big disadvantage in the child's future. Parents talking to the child is the most valuable resource for their child's language acquisition. However, parents are not always aware of that. Even if they are, they might not have enough time to engage with the child or motivation to keep talking. We will help parents to solve this disconnection.
There's a lion.
Lion? Lion?
To the left. To the left. To the left. Look.
Language Jungle is an interactive picture book where the parent and the child can play together. Here is how it works. So Language Jungle has an AI agent like Alexa that listens to parent and the child, and visual image that reacts to it to attract the child's attention. Throughout the session, Language Jungle gets parents involved with the child's learning. We also measure the progress against the target and also give parents feedback to focus on what their child needs most. As a first step, we will address 2 million families with children under the age of 3 in Japan. Our long-term goal is to reach 100 million families in multiple languages, including English, Chinese, and Spanish. To make this happen, we have a solid team with technical background and domain knowledge in child learning. We were selected as top ideas in the prize of early childhood innovation, and we will receive funding. Our business model is B2B2C. So we will supply our product to libraries or childcare center, and they will provide our product to individual families. Once awareness of our product has increased, we will begin B2C to sell our product to the family directly. We will go to the market with a business partner like libraries or childcare centers. And we will begin a trial this year. And we will launch business in 2019. And we will expand our product series as we go with multiple languages in 2022. There are other players in the same space. However, they are very limited due to lack of linguistic interaction, which is the key of the effective child's language acquisition. And we actually provide it at Language Jungle. We will close the word gap and help parents to support their child to grow in vocabulary and in life. Thank you.